I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You must start by confirming you have legal authority to alter recordings. Do not proceed without permission. Once done, collect the CP Plus model number, DVR/NVR serial, and any account credentials so you can authenticate changes. Make sure to note where existing footage is stored, local HDD or cloud, and prepare to preserve evidence if required. This prevents accidental data loss and protects you legally. Proceed only with documented authorization and a clear plan to back up important files. Once you have authorization, use official support channels. Call CP Plus support or book a certified technician to guide any changes. Make sure to schedule a controlled maintenance window, notify building management or stakeholders, and get written approval. This protects operations and users. Avoid ad hoc disabling from unknown apps or unverified firmware. Instead, request documented procedures or remote support from the vendor. Following official guidance ensures the system remains secure and that any change is reversible and auditable. Finish by documenting every action: who authorized the change, who performed it, timestamps, and where backups were stored. Once changes are implemented by an authorized technician, test each camera, recording schedule, and remote viewing to confirm expected behavior. If something goes wrong, restore footage from your backup and revert settings, then escalate to CP Plus support with logs. A single troubleshooting tip: if access is denied, double-check authorization and credentials before attempting further changes. Unauthorized attempts create legal and operational risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.